We're at my old primary school, having a look, and taking Lumi around to my old primary school. Met my teachers, old teachers. Bumped into an old friend who's a teacher.
Yeah.
You like the lockers, right? This was my old classroom. It's a library now.
Oh, really?
Yep. What do you think of the school?
Big. But
Big.
It's not bigger than ours.
Oh yeah, your school is huge. This is the ruler that the teachers used to hit me with. Show me your hand. If you were naughty, no, I'm not gonna do it. If you were naughty, the teacher would go smack 10 times on your left hand. Unless you're left-handed, then they would do it on the right hand. Dawaj rękę. Give me your hand. Yeah. Nagraj. You do it. Reenact it a little bit. Dawaj. Oh. That brings back memories. Dawaj. Do it. Oh. Dawaj. That brings back memories. So this is my old school. What do you think?
It's fun. It's really cool.
It's cool, hey? And right across the road was my mum. That's her work. That's where Babcha used to work. Grandma. Problem with that was she knew if I was gonna skip school, so had to, the naughty uncle. So tonight's gonna be interesting. I'm going to my friend's house a kilometer away for a beer. Gonna go on the quad. Should be fun. I'm gonna go for the old railroad. Let's see if I make it.
A ja mówię do Artura, weź włącz koguty szybko, bo
Zobacz.
szybko, bo Paweł jedzie, my włącz koguty, my jaki mamy, ten z Australii, my włącz koguty.
So I made it, but the cops are here, and I've got no helmet. I've got no, but I'm on the road. Oh, okay. But I've got no ID, no registration, no insurance papers. I parked the quad as far as possible over there, and a guy put on his lights. I'm like crapping bricks.
It's a joke. It's a joke.
It's his friend. Oh man. From last year, the funny guy. Drink? On our way back home to Malbork, and I thought we'd stop in a forest to look for some blueberries.
Did you find any?
Have a look. Yeah. Nice work, Lemmy.
And there's a lot there too.
Yep. Where? Here. There we go. Blueberry. Oi. Oh, I dropped it.
Oh, here you go.
Thank you. More. Keep going. They're worth a lot of money in Australia. Keep going.
I found a lot here. There's like
Pick them.
100.
Oh wow, there's lots.
That's what I just said.
Yeah, good work. Quick, it's starting to rain. Hold on to them. I've got another one here. This time of year, Poland is really popular because it's getting colder. Autumn months are coming, and there's blueberries everywhere and mushrooms. Now, I don't know much about mushrooms, so I don't know if they're poisonous or not. So if you are watching this, in the comment section, poisonous or not?
This red one.
Yep.
I've never seen.
I'm not trying them.
You trying?
No, because I got to drive and I might start hallucinating.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, but there's mushrooms everywhere. And look at this forest, it's so beautiful.
It's cold, but
At night time there's deer in here and wild pigs. It's beautiful here. Right?
there's acorns.
Yeah, acorns everywhere. Good echo in the forest. Random day on the farm. The harvest festival is on. I think it's called Dożynki or something like that in Waza. So lots of people, lots of partying. All the farmers having a good time. Gonna go and have a look. I think my uncle's there dancing around. Might get him a few drinks. Or have a few drinks. Gdzie jest wujek? Dobry. Przepraszam.
Proszę bardzo, panie z 122, proszę tutaj wręczamy dla księdza proboszcza, żeby wszystko się zgadzało. Teraz, kochani...
I'm standing on the edge of an old rail yard, which is right there. Got hundreds of trains. I'm gonna put the drone up and have a look. These are like all the old communist style and World War II trains in there that they've stocked. And then there's a big turning yard there where the trains sit down and they turn and go into their respective garages for repair and maintenance. There's hundreds and hundreds of these trains here. I remember those trains there used to go from my town. So it's pretty cool. I love trains and planes, and I'm standing on this old bridge here. Hopefully it won't collapse. Pretty interesting. Go get the drone.